Hello, and welcome to the All About Me video series. In this video, we are going to show you how to organize your All About Me portfolio. All About Me provides students and teachers the ability to tag and filter portfolio artifacts. Teachers can create class tags in the class options section of their teacher account, and for a student to apply a tag, they simply click the menu in the top right-hand corner of the box and click Tags. Students can then select to create their own tag or select teacher tags to start organizing their work. Clicking the Filter button allows students to filter their portfolio boxes based on media type or based on tags. Want to find all the boxes tagged Who Am I? Select the tag to quickly find all the boxes that match. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our video series for more information and tutorials on All About Me.